Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to take a look at Gala, see what's going on. If you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, just love teaching people how to trade. I hope you can learn something here today. And honestly, if you want to become a much better trader, all of my community members would agree, check out CryptoCache.tech. It's an amazing resource. I have a trading academy, trading community, and more important, I send out signals for every single trade that takes, so you know how to structure your trades in these environments that are constantly changing, right? You have to adjust. You can't stay stagnant, and you need to make sure to stay ahead of the curve. So take a look here at Gala. What we're going to do is we're going to look at some key takeaways, one-day chart, work our way down, as per usual. And what we look at, of course, is the one-day SMA. So this is a 50-day SMA working its way down. You can see it's worked as a resistance a few times in the past, currently so far today. Not to say that's a bad thing per se. I think it's an inevitability the price will be back up over the 50, but for now, we can acknowledge the fact that that is potential resistance. We also want to acknowledge the fact that we just jumped up over 50 on the RSI. That's extremely important. We broke this key level resistance here at about 24 cents. So getting a close above 24 cents today is imperative. I think the likelihood of that is fairly high because we are, maybe 5 hours left in this trading cycle, so there's a good chance we'll probably stay above. So I'd much rather be over a key level resistance on the RSI than be under, or than be over rather, a 50-day SMA. Okay, so again, 50-day SMA is great. It's all well and good. We'll get up over that eventually. For now, we'll celebrate the small stuff, and being up over 50 on the RSI and over 24 cents is extremely important because that was a strong resistance level for the last 2 weeks straight, even previous and prior to that. So again, good stuff there in that sense. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour, see what's going on. Up over the 50-day moving average and the 200 now. That's fantastic news. It's a great start. Getting this nice close above here is excellent. So another couple more 4 hour candlesticks, we'll be in good shape. We're up over 70 on the RSI. I don't love this, but it's not terrible. It's not like it's going crazy. But if you look at any history here, anytime the RSI comes close to 70 or hitting 70, it has a tendency of rejecting, okay? So that being said, with us breaking through 70, that's a very, very good sign. That basically allowed us to break through the 200-day SMA. So both those things in conjunction are positive, allowing us to understand that we might see a continuation of the upside here from Gala. Speaking of continuation, looking at TD sequential, we're at a 7. A lot of other coins are at a 7 right now. Basically just implying that we have about 8 hours worth of continuation of the upside as a potential. Is it going to continue that much higher? Possibly, possibly not. We've got to look and see if it's a healthy continuation. So far, this isn't terrible, though. I do like the fact we had a nice, solid consolidation there, and we're only about 3 4-hour candlesticks in, 12 hours into this push. Most pushes, for example, last about 36 hours. So we might have about 24 hours left to go. Again, might is the key takeaway here. Depends on how we close on the 24-hour candle, or essentially the 1 day. Just so you know, we're not out of the woods yet, but I think it's looking very positive. Up over 24, we had a strong amount of volume push right straight through that candle, and this extremely large amount of volume pushing the price action higher is important. Okay, so again, if we didn't have this amount of volume, I would be concerned with the price being where it's at. But with that amount of volume, we've seen a lot more volume right now. Bitcoin dominance is receding, and a lot of altcoins are taking off today. This increase in volume tells us there's less fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, and coins like Gala will start to flourish. Okay, so all good stuff there. I love the fact that the volume, and you always want to pay attention to volume. The volume is telling us a story that we have a lot more interest now than before. So this interest in the price increase will likely hold a lot stronger and a lot longer, pending Bitcoin doesn't do something obnoxious and drop to 40,000. Tomorrow, we should be in good shape. Okay. Again, we always kind of got to throw that out there. Bitcoin is still the head honcho here, still calling the shots, and we got to respect that. All right, one last thing. We'll go ahead and call it a day here. Ichimoku Cloud, all green lights. There's literally nothing here telling us we do not want to close our position. We do want to close our position. We absolutely do not want to close our position. That's the takeaway. And that being said, we've got all green lights here essentially for the cloud, letting us know to keep our position open. Even if it were to retrace back down to 24 cents and bounce, we'd still be in good shape to be able to hold our position open because the likelihood of, the lagging span intersecting the price action is pretty low. So I really think that this continuation will continue, and we're in good shape there. Let's see what TD sequential is telling us. We're at a 9. This is something to note. Oftentimes when you see a 9 on the 1 hour, there can be a second wave that comes. I'm not saying that's going to happen per se, but we do have a little bit less gas left in the tank. We've got about 8 hours left, potentially on the 4 hour time frame. That being said, we could see the price consolidate and leg up again. Am I telling you it's going to leg up right now or immediately? No, I'm not telling you that, because of the fact that, again, being at a 9, the likelihood of a reversal or consolidation is much higher than a continuation of the upside. In fact, we do not want the price to continue any higher from here without any consolidation. So honestly, if it goes straight sideways for 6 to 10 hours, it'd be perfect. And then we can leg up again. All well and good. But if we do that right away, too quick, we're going to see a correction a lot stronger than we want to. We need to have a healthy continuation, which is a staircase pattern, which we're somewhat seeing here so far. Not perfect, but it's close. All right, so again, Gala's looking very healthy, up over a key level resistance of 24 cents. We are a bit overextended on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, so we'd expect a correction / consolidation in the immediate future, followed by a next leg up, probably early next week, once Bitcoin jumps up. If we can hit Bitcoin to 43,000, which I think is very likely in the near future, then we'll see coins like this have a strong increase and much more potential for upside. For right now, this is a typical weekend behavior followed by a strong Friday from Bitcoin. Okay? Again, all good stuff. Increased volume, that's the most important thing here. So I guess, in summary, we're looking very good here for Gala. I think we're going to see a continuation. I just wouldn't expect it to blast off today, if that makes sense. But I can tell you what, 10% or whatever, what is that, 13% from bottom to top? That's a darn good start, okay? That gave us enough volume to push up higher, and I like that. All right, so hopefully you found benefit here. Of course, we'll keep a closer eye on Gala here moving forward because I know it's a strong request. I get a lot of requests for this. And, obviously you have any questions, concerns, comment below. As far as other coins you want me to go ahead and try to cover. It is best if you message me through Telegram. That is the best way. CryptoCache Tech is my Telegram handle. And then, of course, if you want to become a community member, work with me directly. I'd be happy to get to know you better and work with you as well. CryptoCache.tech is the site. Link in the description below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.